Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English class with Mr. Chandra and me, Miss Apura. So today we will learn about expression of agreement and disagreement atau ungkapan persetujuan dan ketidaksetujuan. Jadi agreement itu ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan setuju terhadap pendapat, gagasan, atau rencana yang disampaikan oleh seseorang atau orang lain. Sedangkan disagreement ungkapan digunakan untuk menyatakan tidak setuju. Jadi kebalikannya ya. Sekarang kita lihat contoh dari agreement. Ungkapan yang bisa dipakai adalah I agree with you, I think so, that's right, that's true, it's a good idea, you're right, I approve it, I couldn't agree more, that's what I think, I have no doubt, I'm with you. Contoh dari disagreement atau tidak setuju, I disagree with you, I don't think so, I doubt that, that's not true, I don't think it's a good idea, that's not right, I don't approve it, I'm afraid I can't agree with you, I agree with you but I can't agree with you. Jadi untuk agreement itu artinya semuanya setuju ya, hanya saja dengan ekspresi yang berbeda-beda. Dan untuk kolom disagreement itu semuanya menyatakan tidak setuju. Nah di sana untuk yang disagreement kamu bisa lihat ada I agree with you but di situ dia mengucapkan saya setuju denganmu tapi, jadi dia memberi alasan. Jadi kalau sudah ada yang bilang I agree with you but, berarti dia itu sebenarnya tidak setuju. Jadi artinya apa sih I agree? I agree artinya saya setuju. Ya. Sama dengan I agree with you, saya setuju denganmu. I think so, saya kira juga begitu, that's right. Itu benar, it's a good idea, itu ide yang bagus. Untuk hal tidak setuju, I disagree, saya tidak setuju. I disagree with you, saya tidak setuju denganmu. I don't think so, saya kira tidak begitu. I don't want that, saya ragu-ragu. Contoh dialog. I feel so sleepy and bored. Let's stop working for a while to get some fresh air outside. I don't think that's a good idea. Let's finish our tasks here and then we'll go out and have bakso in Pakman. I agree with Dayu, Udin. Please go back to work and we can finish the tasks before lunch. Udin, to feel better, drink a big glass of water and then have a little exercise here. You're right, Siti. You are too serious and you don't care with our health. Let's drink and then have some exercise here. I agree with Siti and Edo. Come on, everybody, stand up and drink a lot of water. Then come here to stretch up and have a little exercise for just 2 minutes. That's a smart idea. Everybody, let's stop working for a while to have some exercise. You lead us, Lina. Ya, itu dia contoh dialognya ya. Jadi, ada contoh dialog disagreement, yaitu I don't think that's a good idea. Contoh dialog agreement, setuju, I agree with Dayu. You are right, Siti. And then that's a smart idea. Jadi, itu penggunaannya kalau di dalam dialog ya. Jadi kira-kira nanti bisa dipakai dalam ungkapan sehari-hari untuk menyatakan agree atau disagree. Dialog kedua. Hi Anto, what's the matter with you? I feel so bored. I think we need to have recreation to fresh our minds. No, I disagree with you. We have to stay at home to avoid transmission of COVID-19, don't we? So what's something fun can we do instead of going outside? What about playing music together with father at home? I do agree with you. Jadi untuk menyatakan disagreement, dia bilang I disagree with you. Dan untuk menyatakan agreement, I do agree with you. Okay, thanks for joining the class. See you next time on the next meeting.